see. And I won't have your name to call, 'cause I will be the last to fall.
Hey y'all, it's Dream from where the Yokels grow. As you can see, I'm standing in the backyard. Some sad things have happened here at the house. We have a tree that's up front. She's over 300 years old. She was here before my house was built. My house was built in 1952. She was standing this tall and beautiful when the house was built. Shortly after I finished filming Clean and Decorate with Me, Joey and I were outside, and he had just said, I gotta go potty, and we started to walk forward. We were in the sensory garden, and I heard this very loud noise and realized that a very large branch was coming down. And so I got him out of the way, and we got back in this house. Once I got back in the house, I came outside to see just how bad it was, and realized that it was one of the largest branches in the tree that had snapped in two. So we had a tree guy come out, and they assessed the damage, and they decided that because of the freeze that we had 2 years ago here in Texas that was so bad, it had done a lot of damage to her. And so we had to make a choice to take a lot of limbs off of her. And I hope it isn't a situation where I end up having to take her down. I do not believe in taking down trees. We need them. We need them to take in the carbons from the atmosphere, to recycle it back up into clean air. So I'm going to do whatever I can to save her, but they're far from done, and there's a lot of tree missing. So let me turn the camera around, show you what's going on. Hey y'all, I thought I'd give you an update on what's going on at the house. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Do y'all see that limb right there? Right there? It broke off, and it was a huge limb. We had an arborist come out and take a look, and you can see all the dead branches up there. So we decided to, our big tree up front, she's estimated to be about 300 years old, maybe even a little older. She has a lot of dead limbs left over from that hard freeze that we had 2 years ago. So they said if we didn't get the dead stuff out, it was just going to continue to fall and do more damage to the roof and the fence. So let me show you everything that has happened. So you can see the damage here in the sensory garden. Here's part of it. It came down, and it just kind of came down all the way. And that's just the top part of the limb. The big part of the limb they've gotten out now. But now we have even more cleanup to get done. House and go out the front. I'll show you everything that's going on. So there it is, guys. The hits just keep coming and coming and coming. And they still have so much to do. It's just a sad, sad day. Hey you all, now that they're gone, I thought I'd show you everything that happened up front and show you what the tree looks like now. So you can see it got topped off pretty bad, and they weren't the kindest of tree service. The whole entire front garden is pretty much destroyed. So all of my chives that I've had, I don't know, for as long as I've been here, got broke off. My blackberry bush, hopefully it'll recover, but it got snapped in two. The Honeycrisp apple tree that was just starting to bloom has been broken. So that is gone. I don't know how, but this one survived. That one survived. This never got hit by anything, which is amazing. And then my elephant ears got broken up pretty bad. My evergreen is smashed. My hellebore is completely gone. It is completely destroyed. So that is all gone. Then of course, when they started dropping limbs, they started dropping it on all of this right here. Most of it we saved, but we did have, you know, some casualties. Everything's been moved over to here in the hope we can save some of it. I don't know, the peppers and the green stalks. We'll just have to see. I don't know. See through the gate. I don't have the gate open, but everything was pretty much taken out right here. Even the peppers. It's all gone. I have to tell you all, it's been one of the most challenging and frustrating years here in all of my gardens, and it can be a lot overwhelming sometimes. I'm not somebody who ever gives up, and I won't give up, but I went from a small cleanup, you know, just a few things to just clean out some weeds and stuff, to now a huge cleanup. And I don't know. It's frustrating. But you all take care of yourselves. You keep your heads up. No matter what happens, always keep growing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, y'all.